If this inequality reminds you of your ex, confusing, sharp, and painful, congratulations, you're in the right video. Welcome to problem number 10, the final boss of this playlist. This problem doesn't care about your feelings, your calculator, or your confidence. It mixes geometry plus inequality, just like life mixes hope plus disappointment. Pause the video. Try it. I'll wait. Look at this denominator. B plus C minus A. This is not random. Just like your ex didn't randomly text you at 2 a.m. In a triangle, B plus C dash A equals 2, where S equals divided 2. On screen, whenever you see B plus C dash A, think S dash A. If you don't, geometry will break your heart. Good! We've reduced emotional damage by 50%. Now geometry can enter the chat. This is where Olympiad geometry flexes. Recall, tan equals R slash. So, A slash equals A slash. Translation: this inequality is secretly about half angles, not sides. Geometry was hiding. Like your ex hiding the truth. Now everything depends on one dangerous expression, sigma a tan. This is where students panic. Olympiad students smile. For acute triangles, we use a known result. Sigma a tan represent about 3r plus delta over ABC times r. Divide by r. Sigma a over equal 6 plus delta over ABC. Multiply by 1/2. Sigma a over equal 3 plus delta over ABC. And just like that, the inequality is solved. No breakup required. Now the most sensitive question. When does equality happen? Answer: A equals is, B equals is, C equals 60 degrees. A equals is B equals is C. Only when the triangle is perfectly balanced. Unlike your ex. Let A equals B equals C. A over I's by A equals 1. LHS equals 4. Also, delta over ABC equals 1. RHS equals 4. Equality confirmed. Trauma healed. If you understood this problem, you are officially beyond standard Olympiad level. Geometry plus inequality is not maths. It's character development. Problems 1 to 10 completed. X still confusing. Maths finally makes sense. Subscribe for elite problems. Next, IMO training arc.